Hello everyone, this is Kweku from Next Gen Windows, letting you guys know that the Xbox One controller drivers for Windows are now available. I saw it on Major Nelson's blog recently, so if you go to majornelson.com, it'll be there. I'll also post a direct link to that post in case you watch this video at a later date. But it is there, and now you can download it and install it, and the file will be numbered just as this right here follows. And then when you double click on it, it'll bring up this thing. But obviously, since I've already installed it, it'll show this if I try to start it again. But all you do is follow the instructions. It's very quick. It'll pop up the little message telling you when you hit next. It'll tell you that the little protected security thing on Windows 8. All you have to hit is more info and then hit accept, and you'll be able to pass through that. And then just proceed to install it. There's nothing with it. I've heard some antiviruses claim that it's harmful, but it is not harmful. This is official from Microsoft. As you can see right there, Microsoft Xbox One controller for Windows setup. And then once you finish installing it, everything should be working fine. And as proof that everything is working fine, let me hit cancel here and just hit cancel, finish. Let me just show you on game controllers. The way you can know that it does work perfectly is that under game controllers, after all that wait, under game controllers, it says set up USB controllers, and you'll see here controller, which is in parentheses Xbox One for Windows, status OK. And if you want to see the properties of it, you can see it there. I have it right in front of me, and you can see when I use the left analog stick, that's what happens. Right analog stick, those bars move, X, Y, B, A, up directional button, down directional button, left, right directional button. Those shoulder buttons, the triggers, each of those things work. So every button works fine. Even start and select and start, they all work fine. So yeah, the drivers are now available, and if you install it now, you'll be able to use it on every game that you have Xbox 360 controller support. And then obviously, if you're one of those people who like to tinker into things like I do, it'll work for like your emulators and all that stuff like that too. So yeah, that's that. The Xbox One controller for Windows now has support. So a quick test for it, we can test it out in Asphalt 8. So let's test it out in, I don't know why I keep typing in all this stuff, Asphalt 8. There we go. Alright, so we can test it out in Asphalt 8, and let's see how it works. So you can see right here that, as I'm moving left and right and things like that, you're seeing that I'm able to control the screen. So if I just hit play, you want to learn more, you want to learn speed through, I'm just going to hit no. Alright, let's do this first race, and hit next, choose to dodge dart, and just hit start race. Now I haven't actually tried this game with this controller yet, so I'm going to be pretty crappy at it. I'm pretty sure the triggers are the way you accelerate. So let's see how it goes. So pressing start goes to start. So let's go back to resume. How do I skip this thing? Oh, okay. So it is the right trigger to start to drive in this game as well. So you can see it runs pretty smoothly. It might be a lot worse on your screen simply because I am recording and the output quality might be worse, but it does work pretty well. There we go, and drifting. Let's see, select works. Okay, so there's no pressing select in this game. So let's see. How do I drift? Let's see. No, that's just braking. Oh, I see. Okay, I got it now. So yeah, it does work really well. You can see right here, it's working pretty smoothly. I'm just really bad at this game. But yeah, this is it. The Xbox One controller drivers for Windows 8. Here it is right here, working perfectly on Asphalt 8, and I even tried it on Rayman Legends from Ubisoft, and it worked perfectly as well. I didn't have to do any setup or anything. Everything was automatically set up perfectly. So yeah, that's about it. Catch you guys later.